Key to French is unlike other French learning websites. www.keytofrench.com is free. Key to French was designed for proficient English speakers with the desire to learn French. Unlike other commercial language websites which follow a one-size-fits-all format for each language, Key to French focuses on utilizing a method which is uniquely tailor-made for the French language. To teach a language in the best possible way, each language requires its own distinct learning method, and that is why you cannot simply plug in any given language into the exact same learning system. Key to French is a near immersion course which was created for individuals to learn the French language by implementing the same process that a small child would experience when learning to speak his or her native language. However, unlike with an infant, Key to French takes full advantage of a person's command of the English language to facilitate learning French. The two languages are quite similar when it comes to reading, as the two utilize the same alphabet. Study French at your leisure through watching videos, playing games, reviewing lessons, and taking quizzes. The process will ensure that you will learn to speak, read, write, understand, and most importantly, think in French. So look no further to unlock the leading method to learning French with Key to French. Please let us unlock the French language for you by signing up for your free Key to French account. Remember, we will never share your email account with anyone, nor will we spam your email account. Thank you. See you on the inside.